guys, and welcome to the infamous lab. It used to be the programming lab, now the infamous lab. So just so I can upload
science videos.
So we have a science kit, and today we're gonna be explaining colorful jewels. Obviously, nobody needs instructions.
Everybody needs.
Yeah.
What do you?
Yeah, we don't need.
People never learn.
So we're gonna add. So this has 2 pots. Now, first we're gonna add the water.
Do I add red?
Yeah.
Then we're gonna add.
No. Wait. This
color?
is blue.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. We add food color, any color you want. 2 drops, like they said. 1 and another 2. So now we're gonna stir it with the spatula.
Yeah, we shouldn't be stirring using the spatula, but nobody cares. Yeah, go get a tissue to make it dry.
Why do I do everything? Not fair.
Now the red. Obviously, we had some red colored from the past experiments, so we want to waste. So we're just gonna use this and just add extra drops.
Me, one drop.
I'll add. You added for blue. You only add 1. I'll add extra red.
Then we're gonna stir it again.
Then dry it again. Sit down.
So
Is it stir? Is it dry?
yeah.
Okay.
So now we're gonna put the citric.
Crystal powder.
Crystal powder. So let's put a whole spoon, right?
Yeah. Oh my god, I dropped most of it.
You dropped half of it. Okay. Now I'm gonna stir.
Are we supposed to stir? I don't know, honestly. Just stir خلاص. No, stop stirring!
What?
Don't take yourself. Okay, just stir for a little. I know, it's like this. Now it just says wait.
Okay.
Until we wait. If you wanna order this kit, it's from Amazon. It's the Einstein Box Ultimate Science Kit. Link in the description.
You never put the link in the description.
I will put this time.
What are you doing? You're gonna break it. Yalla, I'm gonna stir it out.
I'm just checking if it's good.
Yeah, so it feels like, I don't know, it feels so weird.
Yeah,
It feels like tissue, rotten tissue.
there's nothing called rotten tissue, by the way.
Yeah, nobody cares. Me, it's rotten tissue.
Okay, so this is the blue.
And this is the red.
Yeah, خلاص, done.
That's it?
Now we put them on top of each other. Should we make another one?
Yeah.
Another color. Okay.
Beautiful.
Okay. Let's make another color.
Wait, I still didn't put it. Okay, we will have. What color shall we make?
Random. That's mango. Yellow.
Yellow, okay. That's a good color. Pretty good. So then we're gonna put the yellow color.
You put almost.
You put one. Not fair. You dropped the whole thing.
Nobody honestly cares.
Take it out.
It's kind of orange.
Orangey, yellowy. Then we're gonna put the crystal thingy.
I'm the crystal man.
No.
Don't put a lot. No. Don't put a spoon. Lower. A little bit low. Why?
You did that? Not fair.
Because it was fully full. Now it's not all full.
Yalla, wait for it.
Stir it.
Now let's wait until it gets all gooey. What are you doing?
Waiting.
You're gonna clean. Because it's
It's
your
ready.
channel. No, not really.
It is ready.
Fine. And don't forget to put in the comment to tell Muhammad to clean because it's his channel. I'm not cleaning anything.
Okay, if you're not cleaning anything, that means you're not doing the experiment.
Blah blah blah. Don't forget he's the most oops.
Yeah, she's the most clumsy person in the world.
Excuse me?
She dropped some red, now she dropped yellow.
I didn't even drop red.
What's this red on the ground? No, not me.
No, you're the one that put it.
We'll see that. We'll see the replay. They will see it, okay? Then they will tell us. Okay, so it's a cool experiment, very fast. I thought it would take longer.
I thought it would take 1 hour.
So,
What if we mix it?
No, don't! Why? So basically, these are 3 colors.
Yeah, we know.
These are like instant snow.
Raw?
Instant snow.
Snow! Yay! Snowman!
So this was a fun video, and see you.
Not fun.
And see you in the next programming or science video. Please go close the video. Go close the video, I said.
I'm not a bro.
You're not. You just go close the video.
No. Oi! Oi! Oi!
Wait, I'm just gonna kick her out the corner.
Oi!
Run! Run, you scaredy cat!
I didn't even run.